Learn how to make English language sentences. Welcome to the Amin Dari Facebook page. I'm Jessica. Here, Amin and I shall post educational and inspirational videos. In this video, I will teach you how to make English language sentences. This video is for beginner level English language learners, so you can share it with your friends and family who have just started learning English. Let's start! Languages can have different sentence structures. For example, Persian sentence structure is subject, object, time, place, then verb. But English sentence structure is time, subject, verb, object, place, and then maybe time. In English, the placement of time can come either at the beginning or the very end. Time placement examples. The first example has time in the beginning. Today, I will buy clothes from the store. In the second example, time is at the end. I will buy clothes from the store today. English sentences always need a subject and a verb. One of the shortest possible sentences is I am, because I is a subject and am is a verb. In English, you cannot express the subject in the verb suffix like other languages. So, English always needs a subject and a verb, and the rest are optional. Here are some examples. Today, I am eating lunch at home. He bought 10 apples from the market today. He will buy an apple. Notice how some sentences do not have all parts. Quick tip. Plural nouns usually take an S in English. Example, 1 dog, 10 dogs. However, if the word ends in SH, CH, S, Z, or X, the word should end in ES. Example, 1 box, 10 boxes. If the word ends in Y, you change the Y to I and add ES. Example, 1 city, 10 cities. When you are learning English, you need to make sure you learn vocabulary from all parts of the sentence: subject, verb, object, place, and time. The later videos will discuss these parts of the sentence more in depth. Here is a potential study list with subject, verb, object, place, and time words. Notice how there is no official plural you. In exercise 1, simply rearrange the words into the correct order. In exercise 2, translate these sentences into your own language. Notice that all sentences are in past tense. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Please like and share this video and our Facebook page. If you have questions, please leave a comment. Bye! Until next time!